Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through everyday conversations. In today's episode, you will learn how to talk about the weather in English. Simple, natural, and perfect for daily conversations. Let's get started.
Hey David, nice weather today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. The sun is shining and it's not too hot.
I love this kind of weather. It makes me feel relaxed.
Same here. It's perfect for going outside.
Sunny weather. So, what can I say when it's sunny?
You can say, "It's sunny today. The weather is nice. It's a beautiful day."
That sounds easy. Rainy weather. What about when it rains?
You can say, "It's raining. It's a rainy day. Don't forget your umbrella."
Yes, that's important. Windy/cold weather. And when it's cold?
You can say, "It's cold today. It's very windy. I need a jacket."
I always say that. Hot weather. What about hot weather?
You can say, "It's really hot today. I'm feeling very warm. I need some cold water."
That's me in summer. Small talk using weather. Why do people always talk about the weather?
Because it's easy and friendly. It's perfect for small talk.
So I can start a conversation with weather.
Exactly. Real life practice. Let's practice a short conversation. "Hi, nice weather today."
Yes, it's really nice. I love sunny days.
Me too. Do you have any plans?
I think I'll go for a walk.
That sounds great.
Useful phrases. Let's review some useful phrases. Nice weather today. It's sunny. It's raining. It's cold. It's hot.
Simple and very useful.
I didn't know talking about weather could be so easy.
Yes, it's one of the best ways to start speaking English.
I'll try this every day.
Great idea.
Thanks, David. Now I feel more confident.
You're welcome. Keep practicing. Great job. Now you know how to talk about the weather in English. Practice these simple phrases every day and improve your speaking skills. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. Please subscribe the channel. See you in the next episode.